Looking for a budget cutter? Check out this one. Pretty cool. Hey Campus, George, back in the man cave. Well, there you go. A quick look at the Mossy Oak camp knife. Not a bad knife. Pretty impressed with it, especially for the price. The price for both of these I paid online on Amazon was $14.99. And that's not bad. For a starter setup, somebody who's just getting into camping and that sort of thing, and trying to keep the cost as low as possible, this could possibly work for them. Like you saw in the specs in the beginning of the video, it's stainless steel. It's the Chinese knockoff stainless steel. It could have been sharpened a little bit better, and it's going to need some work to sharpen it up. It feathered okay. Struggled a bit with it, and if it was a little bit sharper, it would have been better. The size of the knife and the weight of the knife impressed me. It's not bad. The only two issues I have with this knife: one, the sheath. This is a left-hand sheath. It has to go on your left side of your belt. I'm right-handed, so it's a little inconvenient. And I couldn't figure out a way to switch it around because of the way the snaps work. A little unfortunate. Is it a big deal? No, I don't think so. And then the other thing is, although it's a nice, big, sturdy knife, the biggest issue I had with it was the shape of the handle is fine. It's just too thin. The grip's a little bit too thin for me. If it had a little bit more bulk on the outside here, it would have been way better. But on the whole, I'm impressed. A starter knife works for me. The price was right. So if you're looking for a starter camp knife that you want to go out there and try your hand at camping on your own, or whatever you're planning on doing, maybe getting into bushcraft eventually, this could probably work for you to get you started and see how you can go from there. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. You know the story. I'm pretty sure I'll be back again soon. I'll find some other budget item that might work for somebody who's looking to get into bushcraft or just general camping in a different way. Thanks for watching. Bye.